Hey, let's go. Washed ingredients can definitely make your food better. And one of the best ways to feature fresh local produce is on a pizza. Well, here at Mangia, pizza is what they do best.
People really love the pizza experience and just everything that comes around with it.
Matt is the operations manager at Mangia, and alongside Tim, the owner, they cater events like weddings and parties.
A lot of people wanted that cook on site, that full experience where we can fire everything. It smells great with the applewood burning.
Pizza's a craft, and we're always continually trying to fine tune it and make sure that we can serve the best pizza out there.
Both our ovens cook at about 900 degrees.
900 degrees out of a trailer.
Yeah.
That's impressive.
It gives that nice smoky flavor that you wouldn't get in a traditional, gas or electric oven. So you're gonna have that another enhanced layer of flavor.
Well, tell me about the foundation of your pizza, the crust itself.
So the crust is, I think, the best thing that we do. Shepherd's grain is flour sourced from the Palouse. So that's a really great high quality product that we use for our flour for our pizza dough.
Now it's time to put the pie to the test and see what people think of Mangia's Washington-grown pizza. Do you guys like pizza?
Yes.
What makes a good pizza?
It's gotta have good dough.
Sausage, pepperoni,
Pineapple and jalapeno.
chicken, bacon.
I just like pepperoni and cheese.
If it's meat, put it on a pizza.
Well, I want to have you guys try this pizza.
That's really good.
Is that good?
Yeah. Really good.
It's light, it's cheesy.
It's not greasy.
There's cheese on it, but it's not overwhelming.
It's not making my hands all wet.
You can tell that this isn't like frozen crust.
The dough's great, it's crunchy, perfect.
The flavors are like really yummy.
I'd recommend this to anybody.
So would you give this pizza a thumbs up or a thumbs down?